What are these ducks doing with their head buried under water and cute tails popping up? They're feeding. These ducks are dabblers who feed from the surface without diving. Not just any dabbler. This is the greyhound of the air, one of the most elegant, majestic ducks, the Northern Pintail. The female is mottled brown in color, all for camouflage. It's got a slender body, a long neck, a bluish gray bill. Here is the male. Look at the chocolate brown head with a white strip running up the neck, a distinguishing feature of Northern Pintails. And here they go. What a beautiful pair. Nature is beautiful. Northern Pintails are just a standout example of that.